Hello students, welcome to Narayana live class. In this video, we'll learn about cube root of a number. Now, what do you mean by cube root? All of us know what cube of a number is. So, we know 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which will give us 8. So, cube of 2 is equal to 8. If we say it in the reverse way, we say cube root of 8 is 2. So, the root from which 8 came is what? 2. So, we write cube root of 8, this is the symbol for cube root, is equal to 2. In words we write cube root of 8 is 2. Let us take another example. So 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7. If you multiply it, you will get 343. So cube of 7 is 343. We can also say cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Now, there are various methods to find the cube root of a natural number. One of the method is the estimation method. Now, this estimation method has one shortcoming. You can use this method only if you know whether the number given to us is a perfect cube. So, if you already know that the number which we are dealing with is a perfect cube and then you are trying to find the cube root of it, then only you can apply this method of estimation. So, to apply this method, you should also know the cubes of the first 10 natural number. So, 1 cube till 10 cube, and we also know that, say for example, if 5 cube is 125, then any number which ends with 5, if you cube it in the units place of that cube also you will get 5. Say for example, 1 cube is 1, so 11 cube is 1331, it will also end with 1. So for that you should know the cubes of number from 1 to 10. So let us come to the first number, 857375. How will you do it? What you will do is you will form groups of 3. So 375, I got one group, and the remaining number also I have a group of 3. So 875 is my first group, and 375 is my first group and 875 is my second group. Now 375, observe what is the last digit or the digit in the units place of this number 5, and if you see here 5 cube is 125. So numbers ending with 5, its cube also ends with 5. Therefore the number which we want or the cube root of this number will also have 5 in its units place. Now let us come to the second group, which is 857. Now see the number 857 and see 857 lies between the cube of which two numbers? Now actually this would be 1000. So 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. So we know 857 lies between 729 and 1000. So the number which you will select is 729, the smaller always. So 729 is cube of which number? 9. So your tens place is 95. Therefore we can conclude the cube root of 857,375 will be equal to 95. This is the estimation method. Now come to the second example. Now again what we will do is we will form groups of 3. So starting from the end always, so 913 form one group. This 4 does not have any group with it, so it will be alone. So you have one group now. The first one is 913 and the second one is 4. So the first group will always give you the digit of the units place of the answer. Now see 913, cube of which number ends with 3? 7. So in your answer also the units place would be 7. Let us come to the second group, which is 4. 4 is single here. Now see, 4 lies between the cube of which two numbers? So 4 actually lies between 1 and 8 here. Of this, what we will select? We will select the smaller, which is 1. Now 1 is the cube of which number? 1. So in your answer the tens place would be 1. Therefore cube root of 4913 will be 17. We will go to the third and the last one. Again we will form groups of 3 starting from the end. So you have 7, 6, 8 and you have 32. This is your first group, your second one. So we will take the first one, 7, 6, 8. It ends with 8. Therefore see, the cube of which number ends with 8? The cube of 2. Therefore in your answer also the units place would be 2. Take the next group. This is 32. Now 32 lies between which two cubes? It lies between 27 and 64. So this is between 27 and 64. So of this, what you will select? You will select the smaller one, which is 27. Now 27 is the cube of which number? It's the cube of 3. So your tens place would be 3. Therefore cube root of 3, 2, 7, 6, 8 is 32. So as you can see, it's a quicker method to find the cube root of any number, but the only thing is, to find the cube root you should be sure that the given number is a perfect cube. Thank you.